compare my two favorite blush-ons. And here they are. Drum roll! Pak, hindi pa pala sila ready. Wait lang. Okay, so here they are. Ready na talaga sila. One from Chuchu Beauty and one from Vice Cosmetics. Tanggal muna ako ng blush on kasi napansin ko meron pa pala akong blush on. This one is from Chuchu Beauty and this one naman is from Vice Cosmetic. Almost same sila ng consistency, but let's try it naman sa face. So, ilalagay ko dito sa right cheek ko ang ating Chuchu Beauty and sa kabila naman si Vice Cosmetics. So, I'll just dab here. And, ayan. I'll put it here. So, si Chuchu Beauty talaga, parang for me, good siya for daily, talagang flushed ka lang. Pero actually, nakadepende yan sa skin tone natin, ha. Kasi, before, hindi ko talaga naiintindihan yung mga ganyan, yung mga undertone. So far, we're getting there. Hindi ko pa rin siya nagigets, but we're getting there. Mas brighter talaga si Chuchu Beauty kasi white base siya. Tapos, meron siyang demi-matte finish. Kaya medyo may blurring effect siya. Though, meron din talaga siyang pagka-dewy. So, ayun, medyo skin-like siya. This one naman I'll use para sa ating Vice ko Do It All. Favorite shade ko rin to. This is in Always Sweet. I have to read that one just to be sure. Ito talaga parang you can't go wrong din with this one. Kasi parang perfect siya sa lahat ng shade. Pero bakit napapataas ko yung paglagay ng blush on today? Mukhang na-excite ako sa inyo. It suits a lot of skin tone. Tapos ito talaga dewy finish. Though na-try ko na kasi itong dalawa since favorite ko nga sila, this one nagli-leave talaga siya ng tint. Honestly, these two blushes, they are good for daily use. Talagang mas brighter lang to siya. So ito kapag gusto mo medyo sultry-sultry yung look, kaya pa rin niyang ilaban yan. And they are both neutral pink. Mas a tad bit darker lang talaga si Vice. Dewy lang talaga si Vice. And demi-matte naman si Chuchu. Pero both naman sila good for daily use. Nasa sayo na lang talaga kung anong klaseng atake ang gusto mo for today. Thank you for staying. Call you later. Bye!